Lou Manfredini, ACES home expert. Not sure how old your water heater is? I've got a tip on how to know exactly when it was made. All right, on your water heater, you're gonna find a sticker somewhere that has a serial number and a bunch of information that you think is really not important, but it actually is. I want you to look at the serial number of your water heater. As an industry rule, the first two numbers actually are the year that the water heater was built. Now in this particular one, you'll see that it's a 1 and a 9, so it was built in 2019. Now something that many manufacturers are now doing is they're actually including a built date. So this unit actually has the month and the day that the water heater was built. Now keep in mind, water heaters can be built but not installed on those particular same months or years. So that's kind of a shot in the dark there. If you live in a home that you're really not sure how old your water heater is, and this particular unit is a 2019, well, there's a good chance that it got installed in 2019, but that's not always the indicator of how exactly old the unit is, but it's pretty close. As a rule of thumb, the national average for the life expectancy of a tank water heater is about 10 years. So when you find that number, do the math. It's always less expensive to change a water heater on your own terms than in an emergency situation. And that's it. If you need more information, you can always go to our website, acehardware.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.